such a beautiful day today. I'm going to feed the dolphins. Hey, dolphins! I brought you some tasty treats today. Wow! Come here, my dolphin friends.
This watermelon is so tasty. I wish I could have it.
Wow! Are you hungry? Open your mouth. Good job. Yummy. Yummy. Wait, what just happened?
Looks like everything went according to plan.
Oh no! Is there anyone who can help save my dolphins?
Oh yeah.
Hey, what happened?
Rumi, what happened?
I don't know what happened to my dolphins.
There, don't cry anymore. I'll help you. Look what I have here.